me a new grill. A nice tabletop cast iron grill. You know, for your sis kebabs, hot dogs, and stuff like that. And when you're not finna cook a lot. Let's go check it out. Y'all can see country people gonna always have them a grill. I mean a refrigerator in there. I got my little stuff. Got my Bose speaker. Got my little tablet over here. This is how I'm doing my thing. Hey, this your boy. This is what I do. I'm in my crib. Like I told you, I don't have a lot. But I got a lot. Stay tuned, y'all. We gonna cook these steaks. It's getting ready, y'all. My loneliness got the best of me. Yeah. As you can see, I like that the fact that you can let this air down on the other side, and because it's windy out here, let me turn my sound back on. I hope y'all enjoy this video. This your boy. You know I love cooking, fishing, and producing music.